This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and preparing its layer so changes stay non-destructive. Unlock background and convert to Smart Object if you plan to resize repeatedly. Once done, enable rulers and snap to help align. Now choose the Zoom tool or hold Ctrl plus spacebar to zoom temporarily and position the cursor where you want detail. Make sure the document is at 100% baseline to judge true detail versus interpolation. This prevents surprises when you later scale or crop for output. Next, refine magnification and preserve quality. Open the Navigator panel for smooth, real-time framing and to jump between areas quickly. Then set the Zoom tool mode. Use Scrubby for fluid drag zoom or exact presets like 50% and 100% when you need pixel-accurate checks. Make sure GPU preview is toggled appropriately. It affects rendering speed and anti-aliasing. You should also enable Smart Zoom with double-click on the tool icon for rapid centering. These steps make zooming fast without losing visual fidelity. Finish by locking in your view and checking image integrity. Use Zoom to selection or marquee, then Ctrl plus 0 to fit, so you maintain context while inspecting detail. If the image appears soft, make sure you're at 100% and toggle proof colors to see actual output. Resample only when necessary and keep the Smart Object to preserve pixels. If Zoom behaves strangely, reset the Zoom tool or Photoshop preferences. That clears corrupted settings and restores predictable zoom behavior so you can continue confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.